आपको पिछले 1 साल के अंदर जो स्ट्रेटेजिक क्लैरिटी और रिज़ॉल्व पाकिस्तान की पॉलिटिको मिलिट्री लीडरशिप का है, आई विल जस्ट रन थ्रू दैट ब्रीफली, ताकि किसी को कोई शक है, कोई अल्फाज के चुनाव में, कोई ज़हन में कोई खलिश है, तो वो दोबारा सुन ले उन्हीं अल्फाज को जिनको सुन के उनकी तसल्ली होती है। सुन लीजिएगा।
Valiant forces remain fully capable and prepared to defend the country's sovereignty and its territorial integrity against any misadventure. Nobody should make any mistake about it. This nation of 240 million people stands united by and behind our brave armed forces and ready to safeguard every inch of our homeland Pakistan.
और अगर भारत ने ये हरकत की तो दोबारा तुम्हें वो सबक सिखाएंगे कि तुम कानों को हाथ लगाओगे।
वाज़े अंदाज में ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि खत्ते में अमन उस वक्त तक कायम नहीं हो सकता जब तक भारत जारहाना, तौसीफ पसंदाना और तसल्लुत पसंदाना अज़ाइम और अपनी नापाक साजिशें तर्क न कर दे। अल्लाह ताला के फजलो करम से पाकिस्तान की बहादुर फौज और सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस भारतीय दहशतगर्दी में मुलव्वस कठपुतलियों का वही हाल करेंगे जो मार के हक में भारतीय तैयारों का हुआ था।
And we have sacrificed a lot for the creation of this country and we know how to defend it.
Our stance, government stance on Kashmir is absolutely clear.
It was our jugular vein. It is our jugular vein. We will not forget it. Pakistan हमेशा जिंदाबाद.
For as long as we have this spirit of this sacrifice inside us, Pakistan Army, inshallah, will not fall.
In recent years, under the pretext of counter-terrorism, India's political leadership, marked by a troubling absence of strategic foresight, has twice undertaken acts of unprovoked aggression against Pakistan. On both occasions, their recklessness was met with Pakistan's resolute response, which not only preserved national honor, but also averted a dangerous broader regional escalation. Pakistan will protect its sovereignty and core national interests decisively and without hesitation. The successes of multi-domain operations of Marka-e-Haq shall never recede from the Indian memory.
Pakistan would respond much beyond the expectations of the initiators, with diminishing distinction between combat and communication zones. The reach and lethality of our weapon systems will shatter the misconceived immunity of India's geographic vastness. I advise and firmly caution the Indian military leadership that there is no space for war in a nuclearized environment. We will never be intimidated nor coerced by your rhetoric and shall respond decisively beyond proportions to even a minor provocation without any qualms.
Pakistan Navy's capability to strike vital Indian infrastructure along the coast and its essential sea lines of communication with precision and speed was key in compelling the Indian Navy to disengage and withdraw to her perceived safe zone. Today, Alhamdulillah, we stand ever ready, vigilant, and capable to deter any aggression and give a befitting response.
The Pakistan Air Force, in synergy with sister services, upheld the legacy of fighting the outnumbered. Pakistan Air Force not only shot down the enemy most modern and capable aircraft during intense, the longest BVR battle of aerial history, but also struck bases and ground assets deeply into adversary territory from north to south with precision. Without any doubt, Pakistan Air Force could have gone further, but showed matchless responsibility and restraint as we inherited a mature strategic culture. No doubt, the indigenous battle-tested capability developed in record time gave us the immense confidence that our sovereignty will never be undermined by any aggressor, inshallah.
We know how to defend our sovereignty and every inch of our maritime frontier from the Sar Creek to Jib. I assure the nation that our defense capabilities stand as strong as unwavering morale from the shores to the sea.
Let me make it clear. If our nation's sovereignty is challenged, our adversary will find Pakistan armed forces even harder and better prepared. By the grace of Almighty Allah, the national leadership and defense forces of Pakistan, backed by a brave and resilient nation, are committed to safeguard a geological, geographical and aerial frontier of this great country at all costs.
Stop it. ये तो थे आपकी लीडरशिप. You have seen, you heard them. This is the last year. We have just picked up a few extracts of your politico-military leadership. Because that capability, अब वो glimpse जो आपको कैपेबिलिटी का दिखाया था, उसकी कोई अहमियत नहीं अगर ये रिजॉल्व ना हो और ये स्ट्रेटजिक क्लैरिटी ना हो. और इसमें किसी को कोई डाउट नहीं होना चाहिए. But this is not only at the admirals, at the generals, at the marshals, or at the prime minister, or at the cabinet level. It's not only at that political, at the military level. It's up to our each and every soldier. आप खुद जाते हैं, उनसे इंटरेक्ट करते हैं, तो हमारी बातें तो बड़ी सिविल और बड़ी मौजबाना लगती हैं जब उनके सामने आप हिंदुस्तान का या हिंदुस्तान की जारियत का तस्करा करेंगे. सुनिएगा हमारे अपने सोल्जर्स को भी, हमारे जवानों को भी.
मुझे फ़ख्र है इस बात पर कि मैं और मेरे बहादुर जवान मार्का के इस इम्तिहान में सुरखरू हुए.
दुश्मन को बताना चाहता हूँ, आफ्ताब का नाम भी सुना, उसकी हरारत भी देखी. अब दोबारा ऐसी गलती की तो जलाकर रख दूंगा.
मेरा अपने दुश्मन को एक पैगाम है कि वो अगर इस किस्म का मिस एडवेंचर दोबारा करना चाहते हैं तो ज़रूर करें, क्योंकि उसके बाद वो हमारे इक्विपमेंट और हमारी डिटैचमेंट की जलगात दोबारा देखेंगे. कि अफवाज पाकिस्तान जब तक मौजूद हैं तो कोई भी दुश्मन पाकिस्तान की तरफ मैली आंख से नहीं देख सकता.
मैं दुश्मन को पैगाम देना चाहता हूँ. पाकिस्तान एयर फोर्स अंडर इट्स करंट लीडरशिप इज अ पोटेंट, लीथल एंड कटिंग एज फोर्स capable of delivering decisive blow to the enemy by disrupting, degrading and destroying the enemy whenever called upon by the nation.